In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add checkboxes in Google Docs. Whether you're putting together a to-do list, designing a survey, or simply aiming to make your document more interactive, this feature is not only quick to implement, but also incredibly handy. Let's jump right in by opening your Google Docs file. If you're aiming for a simple checkbox symbol to make your document visually engaging, you'll want to start by heading over to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Once you're there, scroll down and choose Symbols, followed by Special Characters. A search bar will appear, and here's where the magic happens. Type symbols, check, into that bar, and you'll be greeted by a selection of checkbox symbols. When you find one that fits your needs, click on it, and just like that, it's seamlessly added to wherever your cursor is in the document. This method is an excellent way to include checkboxes that, while not interactive, provide a visual representation for your checklists. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more dynamic with an interactive element, Google Docs has got you covered. Begin by highlighting the list of items you want to include in your checklist. With your list highlighted, shift your focus to the toolbar above your document. Here you'll spot the checklist icon. Clicking on the tiny drop-down arrow right next to it presents you with a variety of checkbox styles. You can explore these different designs to find one that best meets your needs, but for this tutorial, we'll go with the straightforward, simple option. After the checkboxes are added, you'll notice these become interactive elements within your document. A simple click of the mouse allows you to mark tasks as completed or, on the flip side, undo them if necessary. This feature provides an efficient way to keep track of tasks, monitor your progress, or log choices directly in your document. It makes staying organized so much easier, ensuring that all the items in your checklist are accounted for and up to date. And there you have it. You've now gained the skills to insert both static checkbox symbols and create dynamic, interactive checklists within Google Docs. These features are incredibly helpful, not just for organization, but also for enhancing the overall functionality of your documents. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other Google Docs tutorials for more quick tips and tricks. We have a treasure trove of insights ready to share that can help you make the most out of your Google Docs experience. Until next time, happy documenting.